Today we're gonna talk about Bernoulli differential equations. So Bernoulli differential equations are nonlinear differential equations that cannot be transformed directly into linear equations. So we have to change the dependent variables here. So usually the general form of Bernoulli equation is y prime plus p of x y is equals to q of x y to the n, where n may have any real value. If n is either 0 or 1, then it is linear. For all other values of n, the equation is nonlinear, and as is readily verified, the change of dependent variable z is equals to y to the 1 minus n converts the equation into dz over dx plus y minus n p of x z is equals to 1 minus n q of x, which is a linear first-order equation in the variable z. Then this equation may be solved for z, after which a general solution of it can be found using the reverse substitution of this one. So let's have an example. So example is y prime plus y over x is equals to ln of x y squared y1 is equals to. So we're asked to find the particular solution for this equation. So as we all know from our previous example, y prime is just dy over dx plus y over x is equals to ln of x y squared. So in order for us to solve this one, so we have to let v is equals to y to the negative 1. Since n here is 2, remember that y is equals to 1 minus n, and n is 2, so v is equals to y to negative 1. v prime is equals to y to the negative 2 y prime. So we have to multiply this one by 1 over y squared. So here we have to multiply this one by 1 over y squared. So going back to this equation, so y minus negative 2 times y prime plus y to the negative 1 y to the 1 over y to the squared, so y to the negative 1 over x is equals to ln of x. Since v prime is just y to the negative 2 y prime, you can substitute this one. So v prime plus y to the negative 1 is just equal to v over x is equals to ln of x. Now it's easier for us to solve this one since it is in the form of linear differential equation. So we'll get its integrating factor. So let w be its integrating factor is equals to e to the 1 over x is equals to e to the negative ln of x. I'm sorry, it's negative. Yes, negative. Negative ln of x is just equals to 1 over x. So multiplying this one 1 over x times v is equals to negative ln x over x. So 1 over x v is just equal to we will let u is equals to ln of x, du is just equal to 1 over x. So u du, 1 over x v is just equals to negative u squared plus c. So 1 over x v is just equal to going back to this, negative ln squared x plus c. Then we will solve it for its y. So since v is just equal to 1 over y, so 1 over x y negative ln squared x plus c. Then we will y is just equals to 1 over x ln squared x plus xc. But we are asked to solve for its particular solution if y to the 1 is just equal to 1. So if 1 is equals to 1 over 1 times ln of 1 plus 1 times c, 1 is just equal to pila kang ln sa 0. So 0, 1 over c. So c is just equals to 1. So plugging this in, we get y is equals to 1 over x ln squared x plus x. So this is the final answer. Ting! Uy, sakto na. Ako yun ako mag